Rabbi Reuven wants I should give some tips how we can be besimcha. So in the morning, when you wake up, what do? You're going out from bed alone. I have here a boy. This boy, when this boy wake up, he has to ask someone to take him out. You want to go to bathroom, someone have to go with him. And look his smile. Give a look his smile. There's downstairs a store, there's a goy. The goy told me, every day in the morning, I see this little boy with a smile. I have some stress, but I didn't realize that I'm healthy, that I'm walking, that I can move. I could move. So what? This alone that we can stand, we can move, we can. Morosh always says this medrish meal. What's the Rosh Hashanah from Ushir? Oishir. What's a Oishir? Trump is a Oishir. Kushner is a Oishir. The poorest people. The people that has money, they are poor. They have only money. What you can do with money? If someone need a refia, what you can do with money? If someone needs to have someone wants to shulam bayis, what you can do with money? With money don't make shulam bayis. Someone wants naches. The Rebbe has a Talmud in Naftula. He was from the two Eides what the Rebbe take that when he gonna be nostalgic and the Hushit gonna come to his kaiver and say the thing akluli, he gonna take him out from Sholtachtes. Yes, this is the two Eides from Naftula. Naftula has a son that was off the derech. And he was mispalling every day by the tzien from the Rebbe that kid should die. And we can't have Reb Nussen hears the story. Reb Nussen asks him, Naftula, what's wrong with you? What's going on with you? If you have a koich atfila, you're not bespallel that you should come back, should do tshuva. It's so painful for parents that the kids come home and don't keep Shabbos, smoking Shabbos, don't put tefillin, comes home with hair like a shed, like a devil, like a noose. There's a lot of pain. This guy told me in the morning I see this boy, can't walk, can't do nothing. Everything he needs, he has a friend to help him. And he's smiling. The guy told me, I start dancing. Thank God I can go alone in bathroom. Thank God I can move. This is the answer. If you want to be simcha, if you want to be besimcha. And by the Shmuel says, what's the Rosh Hashanah from Oisher? How you say Rosh Hashanah in English? Nishals. Oisher. Ayin, Shin, Yid, Reish. Ayin is Anayim. Shin is the teeth, Shinaim. Yid is Yidayim. Reish Raglayim. No, thanks God I can say. Baruch Hashem, thanks God, I have eyes. What? I'm ba'atzos, I'm depressed. There is so much pain in the world. There's so much schreckliche Sachen. Scary things going on. And thanks God I'm breathing. Thanks God I have eyes. Thanks God I'm sure. You have a wife. You got married. You have kleine sweet children. Wow, the kids weinen. Crying at night is what? Thanks God, start dancing. They're always Ingelat comes to me complaining. I don't know what to do with my kids. They take me out from I don't know what to do. So I told you are not a Rachmunas. You're not a Rachmunas. You're a Rachmunas. I don't have mercy on you. There are some couples that don't have kids. They are Rachmunas. You're a Rachmunas. You can't sleep Shabbos Chmituk. Yoi. I feel so bad for you. Baruch Hashem has kinder. Thanks God you have kids. He's going to go 30 years. He's going to miss the pages. 30 years is Next chapter, no, you're going to sleep and sleep and sleep. Who's going to look at you? Baruch Hashem, you have kids. Baruch Hashem, you have healthy kids. Thanks God. I wish to help. Hashem helps. We should look at the good things. We should look at the good things. No, my wife screams at me. No, Baruch Hashem, I have a wife. No, I'm gonna get divorced. I'm gonna be better. What's gonna be better? You look at all the divorced people. They have no life. Agurish. Wie schlecht? How bad you have now? Your life is now. It's much worse. Much sach ärger. It's gonna be when you're gonna be alone. Baruch Hashem, thanks God, I have a wife. Thanks God. Someone comes to Reb Nussen, and he says for Reb Nussen, Bekurev, I'm getting divorce. Why? Nussen ask him why. He says for Reb Nussen, because I'm coming home after a hard day work, and I wait for my wife. She got dressed normally, and she wait me with a nice table with food, with some good things. The house would be put together, clean. Oh, I'm coming home. She has a problem. She starts sweeping, but she never finish it. Every time she's sweeping the house, everything, the toys, the shoes, with the garbage, and then in the middle in the kitchen, the dining room, there's a whole pile. She should better. She don't start because it. Rabbi Nussen told him, I think this is not a solution. This is not a good thing. You got divorced. Who told you that you're imagining, wow, another hour I'm going home and I have my wife gonna smile to me and the house gonna be so clean and so put together. And then when you come, you got upset. Think you don't have a house, where to go home. I don't have a wife. I don't have food. I don't have nothing. And then you're gonna come home. Thanks God, I have where to sit down, where to sleep, where to sleep. There was a story for 2 years, a year ago. The person went away for Shabbos and they called him Friday night. You don't have nothing. Sasson, Mishpachas Sasson. When I think from this, I start crying. What? They call, you don't have nothing. Nothing. The house burned out with all kids. A person can think this should happen the next minute. There are people so stupid. They're sitting in shul. They're fighting with the other. You don't know if now, in middle you fight, you are imglicklich, no? Yeah, now that they're gonna they searching your number to tell you something that a kid fall down on the street. I don't know. You don't have what to do to fighting in shul with the other guy. This is the Emerson. This is another Emerson. This is the what? You understand? And same thing. Boys has to know. Bucherim darfen wissen. It's not a chochma. It's not a kinds. It's not a smart thing to make fun on another boy. Yes. It's not a smart thing. There are bucherim. They are empty. No Torah, no tefillah, movies. They do bad things. Then they comes in yeshiva. They sees boys are happy. They're starting. I'm gonna make fun from this boy. I'm gonna tell him a story. Why you fool him? What you having if you go to a boy? That next week 20 boys goes to Israel. I made a joke. What's the point from them? So if I'm gonna find you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you a lie, and then you're gonna find out that it's not true. Oh, I make fun. What's the point? I look at a boy that make fun from another boy. Disgusting boy. A boy not davening? No. One day gonna daven. Aber eine Chepet at zweiten. Someone hurt someone's feelings. Boy, it's time make a story. What's the point from this? I don't get it. No, yesterday someone come to me, Shiva. I heard the whole Shiva going to Israel. So I'm for like Boimer. So only I'm staying here with two. I didn't hear from this. Maybe. Who told you this? Oh, this boy told me this. So I think also it's true. So I go asking this boy, what? So everyone I'm going. I didn't hear. I heard 3, 4 boys going. No, I made a joke. This is a joke. Okay, I don't understand this kind of jokes. What? You make fun from others. So you laugh when I gonna tell you something, liegen, no, schuram, lying, and then you're gonna find this is not a way. Oi, Beppers, if something, I'm gonna schmooze with the other friend. I see a boy don't have sitting alone. I'm gonna schmooze with him. What's the point from this? You don't have what to talk. You don't have what to do. Talk from stam schmooze, no. Even politic, it's not bad. Politic, what do you think? It's a good thing to make a war with North Korea. Not good. What you say to Putin? What you say to the stam schmeezing? But why we have to hurt another's feeling? I bist der helfen, muss ich sagen. Lipo ma zweit nicht. This stays with the person. If he's caring for another person, he has feelings for another person. It's not a difference a yitz, a goy, not a difference a frimetz, a freier, a dati, cheloni. What? Feelings, not hurt someone's feelings. I'm usually careful, I don't know. But let me take for example, you go to a simcha. Someone stands up, a zayde, start talking. He don't know what he's talking. There are people start to make fun, not from him in his face, but first you have to look around. Maybe his son sitting near to you. I'm very careful on these things because when I was a child, they make fun from my grandfather, and they don't realize that you understand what I'm trying to explain? There are persons they make fun in the face. I don't talk about these people. These people they're very low people. There are people they're going out. They make, but you have to look around. Maybe his son, maybe a brother. Other than about tefillas, you don't know how to daven. the people laughing in his back. But maybe there is a brother, a son. They're gonna hurt him, and you have to be very careful before you talk, make a joke. No, a lot of times here also there's people that davening here. There's the kids here, so there's let's say a kipke, no. Circle, talking. Someone talks, they don't know what to talk. So someone walk away. Oh, the father his son stands here. You have to be careful. Make fun from other boger. What's the point from this? What's the reason? What you are gaining? What the reason? What kids don't want to be together with their parents? He sees one time someone laughing from his father. He thinks my father is it's a shame to be near my father. There are bocherim that saying for the father, please don't come yeshiva. Go to my yeshiva's house if you want to talk. Don't come here. Why? Because in Kitte Dalet, in the 4th grade, the 5th grade, some of the kids, this is your father. What? But you have to be careful. Shut. It's 5 minutes.